Showbiz fanatics, Miss Miles Ocampo abay nagsalita na patungkol sa kanyang mga realization at kung ano ang kanyang mensahe para kay Andrea Brillantes. Ang lahat ng yan. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. And please don't forget to hit the all para ikaw ang unang-unang makakapanood sa lahat ng ating mga updates. Matapos nga na kumalat ang balita patungkol sa paghihiwalay ni Catherine Bernardo and Mr. Daniel Padilla, ay napag-usapan din una pa yung hiwalayang Miles Ocampo and Elijah Canlas. At bago pa man pumutok ang balita na ang nasabing third party po dito po sa hiwalayang Elijah and Miles ay si Miss Andrea Brillantes. Si Andrea Brillantes din ang itinuturong dahilan ng paghihiwalay ng Katniel. So dahil po dito ay talagang naaalarma na po ang ilan patungkol sa mga balitang ito. At inamin po nitong si Mr. Elijah Canlas na nagkalabuan o nagkaroon sila ng problema, no? Hindi man nila binanggit kung ano po yung naging dahilan ng kanilang hiwalayan, pero November 23 nang idiniklara or parang sa press con ay inamin nga ni Elijah na a couple of months ay naghiwalay na nga sila nitong si Miss Miles Ocampo. So dahilan dito ay hindi rin matanggap no ng ilan sa mga netizen nang itinuturong dahilan nga ay si Andrea dahil si Andrea Brillantes ay kasama ni Elijah Canlas at sinasabing nagkakamabutihan na daw di umano sila dahil po sila ay lagi magkasama sa taping. Pero ito naman po isang bagay na hindi gusto ni Miss Miles Ocampo kasi parang inililihis po nila. Parang sa mga pangyayaring ito, meron pong isang taong gumagawa or even the management, of course, kailangan nilang parang protektahan ng isang Andrea Brillantes dahil sa kanila po yan, talent po nila yan eh. So, after po na hindi na pumirma ng kontrata ang Katniel, ito pong si Catherine Bernardo sa ABS, kailangan maghanap po sila ng isa pang superstar na kagaya ni Catherine. At ang pinipinpoint nila dito ay si Miss Andrea Brillantes, the rising star ngayon. So, hindi po nagustuhan ng isang Miles Ocampo na parang inire-relate, kumbaga inililihis, no, yung storya ng unfaithfulness ni Mr. Daniel Padilla. Parang inire-relate dito sa hiwalayan nila ni Miles Ocampo at hindi po gusto din ni Miles. According to her, after the breakup, parang mas pagtutuunan niya ng pansin ngayon yung kanyang health, yung kanyang career, at yung kanyang pamilya. According po sa isang celebrity news, Miles Ocampo promised to love herself more than this time after ex-View Elijah Canlas confirmed their split. The actress TV host made a statement in a quick interview with ABS-CBN News after the press conference of the film Family of Two on Sunday, December 2. Kasi itong si Miss Miles po ay kasama sa movie ni Miss Shawi, ni Sharon Cuneta and Alden Richards na The Family of Two. In her first interview with the press after the breakup, Miles stressed that she's doing well and she has her family to thank for staying by her side during her low days. Alam mo yung mga parents, kahit hindi ka magsabi sa kanila, kahit hindi ka magsalita, kahit hindi ka mag-share, nararamdaman nila kung anong nararamdaman mo, sabi niya, adding that she's grateful for them for consistently checking on her. Prior to the 26-year-old star actress throwback photo of herself on Instagram with the caption, "You got this always." Fans were quick to shower the actress with love and support the comment section of the post, with one other user saying, "You don't have to explain anything. We are happy for you, rooting for you silently. As long as you have strong support system, you'll get through whatever challenge you are facing. You are beautiful inside and out." Another one wrote, "I knew it." Sabi niya, "I knew it, there's something about this post. Hugs to you girls. We love you, you got this, and we got you always." One users commented. So dahil nga sa pag-post nga ni Miss Miles Ocampo ng isang throwback photos na nung bata pa siya, talagang bumuhos po yung komento at bumuhos po yung parang mga sumusuporta dito kay Miss Miles. Ang ayaw niya lang kasi parang inire-relate kasi yung kanyang boyfriend dito po sa hiwalayan or doon po sa third party story ng Katniel. na kumbaga parang pinapalala nila ganon. On November 23, Elijah confirmed their breakup to the media, saying that it happened a couple months ago. Despite this, the senior high star stressed that he will always be her number one fan and will continue to support her venture in the future. I'm always gonna love for her and always gonna support her with whatever she does. Sabi niya, I'm always her number one fan basically, but right now, we are taking our time figuring ourselves and our lives right now, he said. We went through rough patch recently and mainly because we were going through our own personal stuff and it's been hard, sabi niya. He continues, so we're figuring things out. We're okay, we're not mad at each other. So, dahil po dito ay the two went public about the relationship May 2022 with Elijah, revealing that they started dating in 2021 during his interview with OG Diaz. Debuting a child star in a variety show Going Bulilit, Miles, known for her roles in TV series and film including The Debutantes, Love You, and Miss Connection. She's currently among the hosts of the noontime show EAT. Meanwhile, Elijah is known for his role in Game Boy's Keys to Heart, Kalel 15 and Senior High. So dahil dito, hiningian din po ng parang opinion itong si Miss Maha Salvador patungkol dito sa bagay nito. Let's watch this.
I can see so many phones, diba?
Ayoko na lang mag-comment yan because I just saw it now.
So to everybody,
no
reminding
comment
you lang po,
muna.
how are you use our hashtag for the day? Isa lang naman, it is hashtag replacing
I'm her ate.
Chico,
Wala naman
and let's
yun.
make this
Forever.
trend, diba? This is for the Philippines as well because talaga namang this is a historic event.
Like trending? Is it
ever original
sa
series
Switzerland
of
with
Netflix
Yunbin?
Philippines.
Nag-trending ako because of
Wow,
Yunbin.
diba? The time has finally
Yung
come.
Laguna ata yung
Personally, I can't wait to
yung
watch it
Laguna
na
yung
rin.
Paniel.
At yes, mukhang ayun na kinikilig na
Pasa ko
sila.
dyan.
Ang daming
Sorry
nangyayari.
guys. Thank you.
More
Pero as of now, si Miles Ocampo po ay mas nagpo-focus po siya ngayon sa kanyang EAT family, sa kanyang hosting career sa EAT, tapos sa Imagination, at sa kanyang moving paparating. Kaya naman, let's congratulate Miles Ocampo. And I hope na talagang yung kanyang journey ngayon, talagang mabibigyan niya ng mas maraming panahon, no, yung kanyang sarili, dahil syempre hindi naman din madali at nasa healing process pa rin po itong si Miss Miles Ocampo, katulad po ng pinagdadaanan ngayon ni Catherine Bernardo at Daniel Padilla. Kung gustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag mo kalimutan mag-like, mag-share at mag-subscribe, at i-follow mo na rin ang aking Facebook page for more updates. God bless everyone. See you on my next vlog.